Right, here I am down at the East Bowl on February 23, 2022. Time is 9:38 a.m. on a rainy, blustery, chilly day here. Temp's around 48 degrees, I believe. So I'm going to do a rainy day shoot today. A little more atmospheric. I don't think there's going to be much activity though, but we'll see. Yeah, there was some guys down here, but they've shut the gate down, so I guess they're going to close up operation for today. So I'm just going to do a sweep around here, hit some of my main points today. But it looks like they've got a lot of the trenches closed up down here now in the East Bowl. And so not a lot going on down here today on this chilly, rainy day. So I'll go around hitting nearly all of my main spots today to see what it looks like. But what's going on? Shooting with my anamorphic lens again today. I like the look of the anamorphic lens. It's a little more atmospheric, maybe a little more cinematic looking here. So this is what it looks like down in the East Bowl. Approaching the end of February here, so I'm sure they don't like losing any more days to rain, but not much you can do about Mother Nature. When she makes up her mind to do something, it's pretty much what it's going to be. Righty, so I'm going to wrap this up here, and then I'm going to walk around over to City Hall, shoot some there. Then from there I'll move on around to the West Paseo, I think. All right. All right, here I am down at the City Hall Lagoon, looking across to the Civic Lawn. Do see the front end loader is back over there moving some dirt around, so maybe he's still going to do some grading over in the West Paseo today. But I'll just sweep around here shortly because there's not much activity here. I think most of the workers have pulled out. I saw some of them getting in their cars and leaving the site. So I was walking around, so not going to be much activity down here today. The rain event is supposed to continue on through into the afternoon and then start tailing off about 2 or 3 p.m. Heaviest rain is supposed to come in midday, I think, so we'll see. It's not really raining at the moment, but it is chilly and breezy. So this is what we got going here. Got one of the backhoe combo tractors over there moving dirt too, so maybe there's something they need to do to get some of that dirt out of the West Paseo today. This is all I'm going to shoot here. It's about the same as it always has been. But there is some stuff going on over there, so I'll stop this short here and move on around to the West Paseo. Alrighty. Alright, here I am down at the West Paseo. Sounds like we got a lot of activity going on down here. Check it out, see what they're doing. Doing some grading or digging another trench right here in front of me, from what I can tell. Contractor grading down here. The big backhoe doing some grading. Something down through here. Down here below me, if I can show this, started removing the dirt right up to these steps here. So I assume that when they have a chance, they're going to start tearing these steps out in the not too distant future. So that looks like something that's happening there. They're grading to maybe take this down to a lower level out here. Going up the steps. Concentrating on grading right now down here. Dirt truck back over there. I don't know if they're going to attempt to haul any dirt in here in the truck, but going back out here down the West Paseo. Like they've piled up quite a bit of dirt back over by the Drinkwater Plateau. You see like a huge pile of dirt back over there now. Maybe some of that dirt will eventually be used on the plateau area, I'm not sure. And we'll eventually build the botanic gardens out there, but I'm not sure how that'll go. Doing some grading down here today. this up here and try to move on around to some of my other spots. Try to hit some of my major areas today before I call it quits. It's rainy February 23 day. Time is now 10:05 a.m. So we'll stop this here. Those paramedics again. Stop this here and we'll try moving on around to some of my other spots. Alrighty. Alright, here I'm walking through the Old Town Tavern. Sweep through here down to Brown and Main. Everything covered up for protection from the rain out here. Over the fence. Down into the West Paseo here. Brown and Main. What's going on down here? I'm gonna move on around to my various spots. This will do for this. Right, here I am down at the rear construction gate. Got some various vehicles parked down in here, doing their grading work up there. Can't really see much here with all the equipment in my way, but I thought I'd shoot just a quick little shot down here. They're just doing their grading work down here. I'm going to move on around to the West Bowl now. So I'll stop this right here. Right, here I am passing out of the parking structure, heading into the West Bowl area by EZ 88. Rain's starting to fall fairly steady now, though at kind of a light level. Got our AZ 88 XOX here. And we'll pass on through now to the West Bowl area. One of the combo tractor front end loader backhoes back over here. Looks like the big front end loader's paused in its efforts right here. And you can see back over behind him in front of the Saguaro Hotel, there's the large pile of dirt that's accumulated out there. So over the fence here. So what's happening here in the West Bowl, shooting over the fence. Gentle rain falling now. Fairly chilly. Hands are getting a little bit cold. So So I'm just going to shoot this little bit here. I'm going to move up to my stair. Right, here I am up on my stair perch. You see the tractor combo there's moving dirt back out into here. They got quite a few big piles of dirt out here now. The one over by the Swaharo, the one right here directly in front of me, the one over by the Drinkwater Plateau there. So getting dirt piled up out here for some reason. Maybe that they're going to do grading out here and they need additional dirt for the grading out here. That's what we got going on in the West Bowl on this rainy Wednesday afternoon, or morning actually. Also another thing I was going to mention here while I'm up here is back out here where they've been doing all this street work going back several months, I think. I believe all of this was part of the overall plan to connect the French drainage systems to the storm drains down on 2nd Street. So any runoff, storm runoff or whatever, something similar today maybe, where a lot of water might accumulate, then that water would be drained out into the storm drains that run under 2nd Street there. So I think that's what all the stuff all the stuff they've been doing down here was basically storm drainage. Get a really long period of rain, maybe something similar today. Today's not too bad really, but then you can move that water off-site into the storm drains. So I think I'm going to end this one up here. All they're basically doing is grading and moving dirt around in the West Bowl today. So I'm going to stop this here. And this might be it for today. I don't see any point in going over to the library and standing out in the rain over there. I'll just see some of the same stuff I saw from the City Hall Civic Lawn area. So I'm going to stop this here, pack everything up, head back home, warm up a little bit, and do some editing. Alright. Time is now 10:18 a.m. Alright. That'll be it.